Hello friends, today is 23rd April, which is celebrated as English Language Day. This day is selected as English Language Day because it is the death day of William Shakespeare, and as you all know, Shakespeare has made a great contribution to English literature, and he is probably the most well-known author of English language. He was baptized on 26th April 1564 and he died on 23rd April 1616 at the age of 52. He was an English poet, playwright and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in English language and probably the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. His works include 39 plays, 154 sonnets and 2 long narrative poems and a few other verses. His plays have been translated into every major living language and are performed more than those of any other playwright. Between 1585 and 1592, he began a successful career in London as an actor, writer, and part owner of a playing company called the Lord Chamberlain's Men, later known as the King's Men. His early plays were primarily comedies and histories and are regarded as some of the best works produced in these genres. In about 1608, he wrote many tragedies, and among them, Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, and Macbeth are considered to be among the finest works in English language. English is known as the international language nowadays. It is the language which is used in many countries and it is widely used in education, business, movies, and even sports. It is one of the most dominating languages in the world and it is having its impact on every field of work. There are 104 countries where English is spoken as the first language. It is the language of international business. It is called as the business language, and if you want to enter the international business or want to make any kind of research work about your business, you must know English. It is easy to learn and it helps you understand in any other language. It is the language of internet. Most of the content produced on internet is in English. The writings of Shakespeare actually influenced the English language, as his works contributed to standardize English language rules and grammar in the 17th and 18th century. The words and phrases that he wrote were embedded in language, especially in a dictionary of English language by Samuel Johnson. So, Shakespeare has played a great role in the English literature, and that is why he is considered as one of the most important author of English language. Thank you.